If you've been told to cook with vegetable oil because it's heart healthy, well, you've been misled. Because here's the shocking truth. Some of the so-called healthy oils in your kitchen are quietly destroying your joints, especially after age 50. They cause inflammation, they mess with your hormones, and worst of all, they hide in foods that are marketed as light, low cholesterol, or heart-friendly. So today, we're exposing the top 3 oils ruining your joints, what inflammation actually feels like in your body, and the best oils to use instead for pain-free, flexible movement as you age. If your knees ache, your fingers feel stiff, or you wake up sore for no reason, this could be the hidden reason why. Part 1. The joint pain you can't explain. You're eating well, maybe even exercising a little, but your joints, they feel like they're rusting. You blame aging, but in reality, the problem might be chronic inflammation, caused by what you're cooking with. Here's the truth most people ignore. Your cooking oil can be either medicine or poison. Some oils fuel inflammation, swelling, and cartilage breakdown. And once your cartilage is gone, there's no going back. Part 2. The 3 healthy oils that are anything but. 1. Canola oil, aka rapeseed oil. You've seen the commercials. Light taste, heart healthy, low in saturated fat. But what they don't tell you is this. Canola oil is heavily refined using high heat and chemicals like hexane. It's often deodorized to remove the rancid smell after processing. Worst of all, it's high in omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6s aren't evil on their own, but when they outweigh omega-3s, they cause inflammation, stiffness, and joint degradation over time. And get this, canola oil is often genetically modified and oxidizes easily when heated. That means it turns toxic right in your frying pan. 1. Soybean oil. This is one of the most inflammatory oils in the world, and it's hiding in everything from salad dressings to healthy frozen meals. Soybean oil is high in omega-6s, again the inflammation culprit, may affect your thyroid and hormone balance, promotes oxidative stress in your cells, a key factor in joint degeneration. A 2015 study even found that soybean oil increases joint pain in people with osteoarthritis, and yet it's still the most commonly used oil in American restaurants and processed foods. 1. Corn oil marketed as heart-friendly? Not so fast. Corn oil is high in omega-6, often extracted using chemical solvents linked to chronic inflammation and even insulin resistance. It's not just the corn, it's how it's processed. You're not getting pressed oil from a fresh ear of corn. You're getting an industrial product designed for shelf life, not your health. Let's get specific. When you eat oils high in omega-6 and low in omega-3, here's what happens. Your body produces inflammatory cytokines. These are chemical messengers that say, hey, we're under attack. Your immune system sends white blood cells to the joints. Even though there's no real injury, just bad food. The result? Swelling, pain, stiffness, and cartilage erosion over time. If you already have osteoarthritis, these oils can accelerate the damage, and if you don't have it yet, they increase your risk of developing it. You may feel sore knees after climbing stairs, achy fingers when you wake up, or maybe hips that crack or grind when walking. This isn't just aging, it's inflammation, and it starts in your kitchen. Now for the good news, there are oils that protect your joints instead of harming them. First up, extra virgin olive oil. This oil is your new best friend. It contains oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory compound. It has a perfect balance of omega-6 and omega-3 and supports heart, brain, and joint health. A 2011 study found that olive oil reduced joint pain and cartilage damage in arthritis patients, as effectively as ibuprofen in some cases. Just don't cook it on high heat. It's best for drizzling, baking, or light sautéing. Next, avocado oil. This is one of the best oils for high heat cooking. Unlike olive oil, it won't break down easily. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, contains vitamin E, which is a natural antioxidant, and helps lubricate joints and reduce stiffness. It's perfect for pan-searing, roasting vegetables, or even making homemade dressings. Okay, so coconut oil is a bit controversial, but for many people it works. It's high in lauric acid, which, may reduce inflammation. Plus, it's naturally stable at high heat. Coconut oil can also support cartilage by improving gut health, which is linked to inflammation. Just don't go overboard. It's still high in saturated fat, so use it in small amounts, not daily. Alright, so step 1 is to read every label. And, you really want to look for these red flags: vegetable oil, soybean oil, canola oil, and hydrogenated oils. These sneaky ingredients are hiding in crackers, protein bars, salad dressings, and even those so-called healthy snacks. Step 2, clean your pantry. If you've got a bottle of canola or vegetable oil sitting around, just toss it. Honestly, it's not worth the joint pain. Step 3, use anti-inflammatory oils in every meal. Drizzle olive oil over cooked veggies, use avocado oil for frying eggs, and hey, try turmeric plus extra virgin olive oil on roasted sweet potatoes for a pain-fighting combo. Not sure if your oils are causing problems? Well, here are the sneaky signs to watch for: stiffness when getting out of bed, joint pain that flares after certain meals, redness, swelling or heat in the knees or hands, cracking or grinding joints, and needing more time to warm up in the morning. If these symptoms show up after fried food, restaurant meals, or processed snacks, your oils may be to blame. So let's ask the big question again. Are you using oils that heal or oils that harm? It's not just about calories or cholesterol, it's about inflammation, the silent destroyer of joint health after 50. Canola, soybean, corn. They don't belong in your body, especially if you're already dealing with joint pain. But by making one small swap, choosing olive oil, avocado oil, or even coconut oil, you can cut inflammation, protect your joints, and feel years younger without changing anything else. Don't let a so-called healthy label fool you. You deserve to know the truth. And now you do. So, what oil do you usually cook with? Let us know in the comments below. And tell us if you've ever noticed a change in joint pain based on what you eat. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. It helps more people over 50 find the truth. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Curiosity, where we break down the myths, expose the facts, and help you live better. Naturally.